Hello my friends, my name is Nui. Today I have a key video from my friend in USA. They tell me that is it a bird food on wheat, and Thai people call gancha, you know gancha. We want to check a record. Us that go for 16 weeks. That's called a bird food. You know, bird food. You speak bird food. Bird food. We plant two species, Gelato and Blue Banner. Gelato left, Blue Banner right. They tell me, do not let the soil die. The water it every 3 days with the best nutrient. And we can see the change of the plant. Do you notice that there is a date above the video? We start to record since 12 to 18 April 2021. Next video, we will show the component of the best nutrient and the way to make it. You can subscribe to see the goal of bird food with us. Thank you my friend. See you again, peace. Bird food. Okay, bye.